Alright guys, look, in this video I'm going to show you one quick trick in order to get this pant, any pant that you have that's a size smaller, how you're going to make it fit on you. Stay watching, I will be right back. I've been pushing work all summer. Alright guys, look, so you know I tried on this Ninjamas just in my previous video and I couldn't get up my big old butt back here. So I sat back and I thought of a concept, like what can I do to get this up my thighs because it could not get up. This quick trick should help you to fit in it, alright? So we're going to try something new. You see this is the front and that's the back. So we're going to go ahead and from the front, that's the tearaway side, we're going to take a pair of scissors and we're going to do a slant. Not too high up, just enough. Alright? And that's going to give us a little opening depending on how big your leg or your butt or your thighs are. We don't want to take it all the way up, we just want to take it partially there because if you were to take it all the way up, then it just may rip farther up or tear away farther up. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. So we're going to look at the opposite side. And we're going to do another slant up. Alright? Yeah, that's about the same. This quick trick should be enough to get this to fit me right now. Are y'all ready? Let's go. So, we know the last time I tried it, it could not get up my thighs. But by doing that, I'm going to give myself a little more room. Of course, it's still going to be tight. And I am going to keep my scissors near to me in the event that I need to cut a little more. And I'm going to try to be as gentle as I can so I don't rip from the tearaway side. I may want to, just like that. And a little more. Alright, be careful not to tear it away completely going up. How many of you are rooting for me right now? Like, go ahead and put a thumbs up if you're rooting that I get this pant up on myself right now. It looks like I'm almost there. Alright. It made it up. So here's the front. And of course you're going to go ahead and tuck the sides just underneath there. And the other side you're going to tuck it like that. And here's the front. And there is the side. As you can see, it's totally pulled away. I'm just going to adjust some more. Just like that. Then we have the back. And then we have the other side. We're just going to tuck that away. Just a little bit. Just tuck it away. Nobody's going to see that. And there you have it. It fits. These nighttime pants, we all know, they were extremely tight. Like this was a small, medium, 38 to 65 pounds. However, if you are just like in between sizes, that little slit should be enough to make it all the way up and you would not have to do exactly what I did. But nonetheless, that's a very quick, simple trick to make a nighttime pant fit you if it's a little bit too small. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a requested video. Guys, look, if you are new here, totally hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. And until next time, and until my next video, guys, mwah, 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 mwah.